Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the Markets and Analysis for Tuesday, the 26th of September 2023. We'll be breaking down charts and through the exact zones who are so close for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the daily candle for Monday, overall the daily is being consolidating because, it looks like a rejection, for example, on a daily. But when you measure from the low to the high of this daily candle, this is roughly around 55-57 pip range. When you break down to the 4-hour time frame, you can easily identify the range on the 4-hour as well as the hourly. So in that case, this is not a rejection, this is a consolidation on the daily as well. So now to break down the chart and looking at the 4-hour time frame, and what we can see, just to minimize all the noise, easily we can identify this is a non-tradable range. For example, we have this 4-hour support around 181,280. We have a 4-hour resistance around 181,900. And as we drop down to the lower time frame, you can easily identify the no trade zone. For example, apart from this 1 hour, the hourly fake out we've had in here, this is range where prices have been consolidating. So we have this fake out on the hourly and we have this fake out on the hourly as well. When you drop down to the lower time frame, you can clearly identify this range. So I would say this is going to be the no trade zone. And now to look for potential buys. What we're going to do here, I'm going to put this here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to the daily, So the first thing we can see is we have this rejection that was formed on Friday around 182,300. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame of a 4-hour rejection. Looking at the hourly, we have an hourly resistance around 182,200. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, this is a 5-minute resistance, and that's the same level of resistance on the 50-minute time frame as well. So I'd say the first target for buys could potentially be 182,200, targeting this 1-hour resistance. The second target for buys, now we have this previous daily support around 182,800, or like 182,790. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour, what we can see, we have this previous 4-hour support formed around 182,600. Looking on the hourly, we can identify another level as well at 182,500 based on this previous 1-hour support. But then on the 5-minute time frame, we have clean traffic on the left. So I'd say the second target for buys could potentially be 182,500, targeting this previous 1-hour support. And now to look for potential sells. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the previous weekly low. So we're going to put a line to where this weekly low formed around 187.40. Dropping down to the daily, we have a daily low. Actually, this is the daily low that was formed on Thursday. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we have a 4-hour low as well, formed around 187.40. Looking at the hourly, this is an hourly rejection. Let's have a look on the 5-minute time frame. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have the first target for sells could be at 187.40, targeting this daily low that was formed on Thursday last week, which is the previous weekly low. And the second target for sells, now what we're going to do here, we're going to see if we can find any levels. So based on, and this is something I've explained on the previous analysis. So apart from this, like these two candles forming a fake out and with forming a huge retracement on the daily time frame, the first thing I can see here is on the left we have this daily support formed around 180.010, and I would say the second target for sells could potentially be based on this daily support around 180.010, because if price broke below this level and then the following candle retraced and corrected the whole move, in my opinion, I'll just ignore this level here and I just refer to this previous daily support formed around 180.010.
Dominion Markets, your trading sanctuary.